In this video, we're showcasing 10 unique business machines that could be your next big investment. From creating custom badges to producing unique food items and decorative products, these machines are designed to boost your creativity and business efficiency. Don't miss out. Stick around till the end to see which one could transform your business. Aluminum recycling machine for small decorative items. The aluminum recycling machine for small decorative items is a perfect investment for entrepreneurs looking to create unique, eco-friendly products while tapping into the growing recycling trend. This machine allows you to repurpose aluminum scrap and transform it into small decorative items like jewelry, art pieces, and home decor. The process is simple. Melt the aluminum, mold it into creative shapes, and let it cool into beautiful, sustainable products. With the increasing demand for recycled goods in the US, a small business can potentially earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month by selling custom aluminum decor to eco-conscious consumers, artists, and boutique shops. These machines can be found on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, and specialized industrial suppliers. Investing in this technology is a win-win. It's environmentally friendly, creative, and offers great profit potential for your business. Custom pin and badge making machine. The custom pin and badge making machine is a must-have for entrepreneurs looking to create personalized accessories that are both fun and profitable. This machine allows you to design and produce high-quality pins and badges with custom logos, artwork, or slogans. Whether you're creating promotional items for businesses, designing fan merchandise, or offering unique gifts, the possibilities are endless. The process involves printing designs, cutting the material, and assembling the pins into their final form. With the popularity of custom merchandise, a small business can earn anywhere from $3,000 to $7,000 per month by selling these personalized items at events, online, or to local stores. These machines are available on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, and industrial equipment websites. Investing in a custom pin and badge making machine is a great way to tap into a lucrative market while offering customers something unique and meaningful. Personalized wax seal stamp machine. The personalized wax seal stamp machine is a fantastic tool for entrepreneurs who want to add a touch of elegance and uniqueness to their products or services. This machine allows you to create custom wax seals with your logo, initials, or any design of your choice. Perfect for invitations, letterheads, packaging, and branding, the machine uses heated brass stamps to imprint designs onto wax, creating a sophisticated and professional look. With the growing trend of personalized and bespoke items in the US, businesses can generate between $2,000 to $5,000 per month by offering custom wax seal services for weddings, businesses, or special events. You can find these machines on Amazon, Alibaba, or specialized crafting and industrial equipment websites. By investing in a wax seal stamp machine, you can cater to the rising demand for high-end, personalized products while boosting your business's appeal with a timeless, classy touch. Felt slipper production machine. The felt slipper production machine is a game changer for entrepreneurs looking to tap into the growing demand for sustainable and cozy footwear. These machines turn natural wool or recycled fibers into soft, durable felt slippers. The process involves molding, pressing, and heating the material to create a perfectly shaped slipper that's both comfortable and eco-friendly. With the rise in consumer interest for handmade, sustainable products, a small business can potentially earn between $6,000 to $12,000 per month by catering to markets like home goods, gift shops, and online platforms. You can find these machines on popular websites like Amazon, Alibaba, and specialized industrial suppliers. Investing in this technology not only aligns with the eco-conscious movement, but also offers a profitable opportunity to capitalize on the growing demand for unique, high-quality products. Miniature 3D-shaped cheese production machine. The miniature 3D-shaped cheese production machine is a unique and innovative tool for businesses in the food industry looking to stand out. This machine allows you to create small, 3D-shaped cheese products, perfect for special events, gift packages, or gourmet food offerings. By using high-quality cheese, this machine molds it into intricate shapes, making it a fun and appealing product for both children and adults. With the growing demand for novelty food items in the US, especially in the premium snack and gift market, a small business can earn anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000 per month by catering to events, local stores, and online markets. These machines can be found on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, and food industry suppliers. Wooden spoon and fork printing machine. The wooden spoon and fork printing machine is a fantastic investment for businesses aiming to create unique, customizable kitchenware. This machine allows you to print custom designs, logos, or messages on wooden spoons and forks, making them perfect for restaurants, catering services, or promotional giveaways. Whether you're creating personalized kitchen tools for special events or selling custom products online, this machine opens up endless possibilities. With the growing popularity of personalized and eco-friendly products in the US, a small business could easily generate $3,000 to $7,000 per month by offering these customized wooden utensils to consumers and businesses alike. You can find these machines on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, or specialized industrial websites. If you're looking to add a creative and sustainable touch to your product line, this machine could be a game changer. Mini Ice Cube Production Machine. The Mini Ice Cube Production Machine is a must-have for businesses in the food service, hospitality, or event industries. It produces small, perfectly shaped ice cubes, ideal for cocktails, soft drinks, or even decorative purposes. Compact and efficient, this machine can be a great addition to restaurants, bars, hotels, or even vending services, providing a steady supply of high-quality mini ice cubes. With a growing demand for ice in smaller, more premium sizes, a small business could potentially earn $2,000 to $6,000 per month, depending on location and market demand. You can find these machines on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, or specialized commercial equipment websites. Investing in a mini ice cube production machine can boost your business's efficiency and elevate your customer experience, making it an excellent choice for entrepreneurs looking to stand out. Stone Mosaic Precision Making Machine. The Stone Mosaic Precision Making Machine is an innovative tool, perfect for businesses specializing in custom decorative pieces, home decor, or high-end craftsmanship. This machine allows you to create intricate, precise mosaics using various types of stones, transforming raw materials into stunning, personalized designs. Whether for flooring, wall art, or bespoke projects, this machine offers exceptional quality and consistency, giving you a competitive edge in the growing home decor market. A small business could generate between $4,000 to $8,000 per month, depending on the complexity of designs and customer demand. With its ability to create intricate designs quickly and efficiently, this machine is ideal for entrepreneurs aiming to serve both residential and commercial clients. Available on Amazon, Alibaba, and specialized industrial sites, the Stone Mosaic Precision Making Machine is a valuable investment for anyone looking to create unique, high-quality stone art and decorations. Glass Decorative Marble Production Machine. The Glass Decorative Marble Production Machine is a fantastic investment for businesses in the home decor, art, and custom gift sectors. This machine allows you to produce stunning, handcrafted glass marbles, perfect for decorative pieces, home accents, and even jewelry designs. The process involves shaping and coloring molten glass into vibrant, smooth marbles with a variety of unique patterns, giving businesses the flexibility to create personalized, high-end products. With a growing market for bespoke and luxury items, businesses could potentially earn between $3,000 to $7,000 per month, depending on demand and product customization. You can find these machines on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, or through specialized glassworking suppliers. If you're an entrepreneur looking to tap into the growing trend of personalized and decorative home items, investing in a glass decorative marble production machine can elevate your offerings and attract high-paying customers. Dried fruit and nut packaging machine and airtight pouches. The dried fruit and nut packaging machine and airtight pouches is a must-have for businesses looking to capitalize on the growing demand for healthy snacks in the U.S. This machine allows you to efficiently package dried fruits, nuts, and other snacks in airtight, resealable pouches, ensuring long shelf life and preserving freshness. The process is simple. Fill the pouches with your product, seal them using the machine's automatic features, and you're ready to distribute. With the health food market booming, businesses can potentially earn between $5,000 to $12,000 per month by offering premium, conveniently packaged snacks to grocery stores, online platforms, and health-conscious consumers. You can find these machines on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, and specialized packaging websites. Investing in this technology not only boosts efficiency, but also enhances the appeal of your products, making them stand out on store shelves and online marketplaces. Thanks for watching. These incredible machines could be the key to unlocking your business potential. Whether you're starting out or looking to scale, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting business ideas.